I am going to demonstrate manual control settings. This is a feature in our Symbio mobile app, the Service and Installation app. Originally this app was put out for just the Symbio 700, but recently we've now started supporting Symbio 800 controllers as well. And so manual control settings, this is found over here on the Tools menu, and so I'll just click on that Tools icon, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down near the bottom, and that's where we'll find manual control settings. Now this is one of two features that can only be done when you're local. You cannot do it through Trane Connect if you're not local. If you do it through Trane Connect, if you have a Trane Connect connection, you will have to go through the local access button here and enable local access to prove that you're on site. And so that would just be a button push here, and then another button push on the TD7 on the equipment. That just proves that you're local. But in my case, I have a Wi-Fi connection, which is considered a local connection, so I don't have to go through the local access button. Alright, so I'm going to click on the manual control settings. It pops up the screen for manual control settings. At the very top, we have a auto and stop front panel control here. If I want to change any of these make manual overrides, I should say, I do have to have the equipment in stop. So the next section here shows different sections that are available. You see the UN here, that's for unit control. ISO is for isolation damper control. CI, circuit 1 control. They're kind of just displaying the first couple of letters because that's all we could fit on a small app like this. And so I'm going to go back to unit control here, and then I'm going to click on the supply fan auto, and it brings up the supply fan manual override. If I click here to override it, what it's telling me here is that the front panel must be in the stop mode. So let me go back. Here's that stop mode button. Just put it in stop mode, and then I can go back to the auto. And now when I hit manual, I can make a change here. Might change this to just say 20% and apply. And now when I go back to the main screen, you see I have a manual override for 59 more minutes. And then I also have clear all manual settings. And so now I know that there's a manual override, and I know which section it's on because of the badge here. Has a 1 now, showing I have 1 override. So I can also clear that manual setting, and it just tells me that it's going to be cleared, and I say, yeah, that's what I want to do, and so it clears it out. Alright, well that ends the demonstration of manual control settings. Thanks for watching.